Do you forget to feed your fish and make it eat its own algae?
Do you overfeed your fish and feed it at irregular times?
If you said yes to any of these questions, the Lil Boat Feddah is for you. He says that's word.
This fish eater will feed your fish 100%. Your fish will be 80% happy. Your shipping and handling is not free. Matters if you order in the next second, you get another Lil Boat Feddah for free. That's 2 Lil Boat Feddahs for the price of 1. Shipping and handling also not included. Also, that's word.
Be quiet, punk.
I know you want this for life, taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no wife. I just want you for the night. I know you want this for life, taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no wife. I just want you for the night. I know you want this for life. Fuck you so good, you be calling out the Christ. Bottles of the tech, got it laid on ice. We spent 4 seasons at the 4 Seasons twice. You be calling all your homegirls like I'm his wife. Hell nah, you trippin', reevaluate your life. I can't let no bitch, every single hoe is trife. I sip dirty Sprite just to get me through the night, but I need you there. Promise that I need you there. Ain't no other bitch gon' fuck me like you do, I swear. Put that on my gang, I swear.